Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing super easy yet stylish tunic top, perfect for summer outings. So let's get started. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. For this project I have taken 1.5 meter of rayon fabric. Firstly, cut out the required length from the fabric. In this fabric, print is directional, so to get vertical lines of this print, I'll be making it off grain or horizontally. And for that, I have cut out fabric according to the required width, that is bottom round of the top. I have folded the fabric twice in width. Now I'll mark the measurements. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch, so half of it is 6.75 inch. Neck width is 3 inch. From this point, mark half inch downwards for shoulder slope and join it to the neck width point. Now from this point, I'll mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch for my measurement. I'm deducting half inch as this is sleeveless top. I'll just extend this point. Now from this point, mark 1 inch inwards and join it to the shoulder slope point. Now from the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch shoulder to burst point, 14 inch shoulder to waist and 21 inch shoulder to hip. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, I'm adding 6 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. 28 plus 6 is 34 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.5 inch. For hip, again I'm adding 6 inch of ease. In my measurement, hip round is 38 inch. 38 plus 6 is 44 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 11 inch. Now I'll join these points. Extend this line till bottom. Measure hip to bottom and mark the same measurement on the opposite line. Now join this point with a slight curve to the bottom line. Adding seam allowance on the sides. Now I'll draw armhole curves. Marking is complete, now I'll cut it. To cut the front armhole curve, separate the back. Fold it again. And now I'll cut the front armhole curve. For neckline, neck width is 3 inch. Front neck depth is 7 inch, adding half inch for seam allowance. Mark a point at 5 inch. Again mark neck width point. And join these points. Here I'll draw a round shape. Now mark 0.75 inch inwards and make small V like this. So this is a neckline shape. Now I'll cut it. For back, I'll cut 6 inch deep round shape neckline. And with this cutting is complete, now I'll stitch the top. Firstly, I'll finish this V shape with bias tape. I made bias tape using bias tape maker. I have a separate detailed video on how to use it. If you want to check it out, link is in the description box. Place the tape on the neckline right sides together and make a stitch. Make small cuts. Now turn around the bias tape, folding seam allowance inside and make a stitch to secure it. So I have finished V shape. Now I'll stitch shoulder slope on both sides. Overlock it. Now I'll finish front and back neckline with bias tape. Place the bias tape on the neckline right sides together. Make a stitch. If you find this difficult to directly attach the bias tape, you can first pin it up and then make a stitch. Now double fold bias tape and make a stitch on the inner edge to secure it. So I finished the neckline. Now similarly I'll finish armholes. I've finished armholes. Now I'll finish bottom of the top. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. Similarly, I'll finish other side. Lastly, I'll stitch side fitting seam on both sides. And with this, my top is completed and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.